how to enable 2FA for Fortnite. Hey guys, it's Tech Widget here, and I saw that a ton of people needed to know how to do this for like upcoming tournaments and stuff like that. And to play in them, you have to have 2FA enabled so you can actually get your money and stuff like that. 2FA stands for two-factor authentication. So what it basically means is whenever someone tries to sign into your account, it will send an email first to your account and it will send a code to it, and then you're gonna have to type in that code to sign in. So without chatting too much, let's get onto it. So you're gonna have to log into your Fortnite account on epicgames.com, as you can see at the top. So then I just made a test account. So you want to click on your account and you want to click account. And so as we let this load up, we can see all of our general info here. And so as I'm scrolling down, you just find right here, download a copy of the information that you shared with us. You'll need to enable two-factor authentication. So you just tap on that. It is a link. Then you scroll down. And then this is how you do it. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, can be used to protect your account from unauthorized access by requiring you to enter a security code when you sign in. So you can use an authenticator app as your two-factor. When you sign in, you'll be required to use a security code provided by your authenticator app. To enable this service, email address is required. So you just click on enable authentication app, and then email authentication, you just do that and you follow the steps it gives you. So let's do that one. So you have to verify your email and everything.